Hello friends, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good, and in today's recipe I'm going to show how to make chicken sukka. It's a delicious recipe. You can try this at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. It goes very well with chapatis, poi or bread, kadak pav, and also with rice. So in order to make sukka chicken, I've taken half a kg of chicken and cut in small pieces. Apply salt and keep it on the side. Meanwhile, in order to make the masala, keep the pan hot, add 1 tablespoon of oil. Coconut oil I have used, 2 medium size onion cut in small dice, add ginger 1 inch, garlic 8 cloves, dry coriander seed 1 tablespoon, fennel seed 1 teaspoon, cumin seed half a teaspoon, fenugreek seeds quarter teaspoon, and keep the flame on a low so you don't burn the masala. Once you saute, add 1 cup of grated coconut. I've used 3/4 of this in order to dry roast. Mix well till it becomes nice color. Now add all these ingredients once it cooled down to a jar in order to grind. I've used tamarind, which is quarter size of a lemon, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. By adding water to this, make it to a fine paste. Now in a pan, as our masala is also ready and chicken we have already applied salt and kept, now it's time to cook. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, add few sprigs of curry leaves, add 1 tomato chop medium, saute it nicely, add 3 green chilli slit, saute it for a while. Now add chicken and seal the chicken for few minutes on a medium flame. Add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, and mix it well. Check how the chicken looks. Keep it on medium flame. Now it's time to add masala which we ground. Now by passing water to the jar, do not add more water, add sufficient amount, just pass it from the jar. Now remember, as we have already applied salt to chicken, this is just for gravy. Cover and cook it for 8 to 10 minutes on a slow flame. Mix it well. Now add quarter cup of chopped coriander fresh, which is cilantro, and the remaining grated coconut 1/4 cup. Mix it well and let it cook for 3 to 4 minutes. As you see, our chicken is getting thick and chicken is also ready. It's time to serve now. As I'm going to switch off the flame and check this chicken, how delicious it is. This is how you can prepare chicken sukka at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. Guys, thanks for watching my video and God bless you all. And don't forget to share and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel and God bless you all.